Welcome. So in this video, we're gonna find out which one is better between Canva and Adobe Express. So both Canva and Adobe Express are popular graphic design tools and target different audiences. Here's a comparison to help you decide which one is better for your needs. Okay? So first we have ease of use. So Canva is widely regarded as one of the most user-friendly graphic design tools available. So it is intuitive drag and drop interface allows users with little to no experience to create professional looking designs quickly. So it offers a vast library of templates, fonts, stock photos, icons, and design elements that can be easily customized to suit your specific needs. So on the other hand, Adobe Express or Adobe Spark is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, which is better for its professional grade design software. While Adobe Express provides a range of design tools, its interface may have a steeper learning curve, making it more suitable for users with some design experience or those already familiar with Adobe products. So the second one, we have features and functionality. So Canva is a versatile design tool that caters to various design needs. It offers a comprehensive set of features for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, invitations, business cards, and more. Canva's extensive library of templates covers a wide range of industries and design styles. It also provides collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on the same design simultaneously. So, on the other hand, Adobe Express focuses primarily on creating social media graphics, videos, and web pages. So, it offers templates, design tools, and customization options specific to these purposes. While Adobe Express provides sufficient features for social media oriented design. It has a narrower focus compared to Canva. Third, we have integration and collaboration. So, Canva shines in terms of integration and collaboration capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with various platforms such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and social media networks, making it easy to access and share your design across different channels. Canva also offers collaboration features, allowing team members to collaborate on designs in real time. Adobe Express, being part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, integrates well with other Adobe apps. So if you're already using Adobe products like Photoshop or Illustrator, Adobe Express can fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. However, in terms of integration with external platforms and collaboration features, Canva generally provides a more extensive range of options. Lastly, we have pricing. So Canva offers a freemium model, allowing users to start for free and access a limited set of features and design elements. They also provide paid subscriptions with additional functionalities such as access to premium templates, stock photos, and advanced features like background remover and resizing. The pricing varies based on the plan you choose, with options for individuals, teams, and enterprises. Adobe Express, on the other hand, also have a free version, but to unlock its full potential, a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud is required. Adobe Creative Cloud offers a monthly subscription model that provides access to all Adobe apps, including Adobe Express. While the subscription gives you access to comprehensive suite or professional design tools, it comes at a higher price point compared to Canva's paid subscriptions. So, in conclusion, The choice between Canva and Adobe Express depends on your specific needs, skill level, and existing workflows. Canva is well suited for beginners, non-designers, or those looking for an easy-to-use tool with a wide range of templates and customizations options. On the other hand, Adobe Express is more suitable for users with some design experience or those already using Adobe Creative Cloud, as it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe apps and provides a more professional-oriented feature set. Consider your design requirements, learning curve, integration needs, and budget to make an informed decision between the two tools. Okay? So choosing between Canva and Adobe Express or the Adobe Spark ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. So here's the pros and cons of these two platform or applications. Okay, so pros and cons of Canva and Adobe Express. So first, let's start with pros of Canva. So we have five. Okay. So user-friendly interface, extensive template library, customization options, collaboration features, integration options. Okay. So now let's start. For the user-friendly interface, Canva is known for its intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it accessible to users with a little to no design experience. So as I've said earlier. So second, we have the extensive template library. So Canva offers a vast collection of templates for various design purposes, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more. Now for the customization options. So you can easily customize templates, fonts, colors, and design elements to match your branding or personal style. Next, we have the collaboration features. So Canva allows multiple users to collaborate on designs, making it suitable for team projects or remote collaboration. Lastly, we have the integration options. So Canva seamlessly integrates with various platforms and social media networks, making it easy to access and share your designs. So for the cons of Canva, we only have two, which is the limited video editing capabilities and advanced design features. So for the limited video editing capabilities, Canva's video editing features are more basic compared to Adobe Express. So if you require advanced video editing capabilities, it may not be the ideal choice. For the second one, we have the advanced design features. So Canva's design tools are not as robust or as those found in professional grade software like Adobe Express. So if you require advanced design features or precise control over your designs, you might find Canva limiting. Okay? Now let's proceed with the pros of Adobe Express. So we have four professional grade design tools, video editing capabilities, seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, and flexibility in design output. So first we have the professional grade design tools. So Adobe Express is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, known for its powerful design software. It offers more advanced design features and precise control over your designs. For the video editing capabilities, Adobe Express provides more comprehensive video editing tools compared to Canva, making it suitable for creating and editing videos for various purposes. So the next one is seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. So if you already use Adobe products like Photoshop or Illustrator, Adobe Express integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. For the last pros, we have flexibility in design output. So Adobe Express allows you to create not only static graphics but also web pages and videos, providing more versatility in design output. Okay? So those are the pros of Adobe Express. Now let's proceed with the cons of Adobe Express. So we have three for Adobe Express, which is the learning curve, limited template library, and pricing. Learning curve. So Adobe Express has a steeper learning curve, especially for users with little design experience. It may require more time and effort to become proficient in using software compared to Canva. Limited template library. So while Adobe Express offers templates, its template library may not be as extensive as Canva's, particularly for certain design categories. Last one, for the pricing, Adobe Express requires a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud, which comes with a monthly cost. This may be deterrent for users on a tight budget or those who don't require access to other Adobe applications. Okay? So now, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. So if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.